Hello guys, I would like to welcome you to my tutorial how to use Waves.Exchange and also how to use a Coinomi desktop app. This video is created because of or as a leaving project for my BTC Bitcoin in business class, and we will start. First of all, you need an email address, which is basically yeah. First of all, you have to click on get started and fill out some information which is required in order to create an account. So first of all, you have to put there a password and also check the boxes that you have read and agree with privacy policy and terms and conditions. Then you will be redirected here to get started with the blockchain, and you have an option to create a new account on import accounts, which we will take about in later on. So you have to click on create a new account and choose an avatar, which is up to you, but it will change your account address. You will continue and you have to type in your account name, which can be for example test BTC in business for us. We will continue, and first of all we will get onto the main screen. As you can see on the spreadsheets, there are multiple options we can choose from, which is trading, staking, prediction, the wallet itself, and creation of a token. Here is a little Telegram thingy, which is basically to subscribe for an application called Telegram for further info about the exchange and also notifications if something happens. It is what I want to show you firstly is to how to back up your seed phrase. Basically, seed phrase is something which is used when you forget, for example, your password or anything else which prevents you from entering the wallet, which can be pretty much inconvenient, because on the wallet, if you are also attending the BTC in Bitcoin, the BTC in business class, you will have your activity points stored here. So if you lose lose access to the wallet, you will lose your activity points. Anyways, the seed phrase is here. To show it, you click simply on show. You have to fill in your password, which you have entered. Okay, wrong password. And you can see there are multiple words which you shouldn't save on your computer, but as a matter of showing to or so. Nevertheless, you have to write them down and keep them somewhere safe so no one can find it to exploit it and get an access to your account. Also, private key is vital for you in order to save your account. So also you can again add your account password and you have the private key here. What is really important is your wallet and also your exchange address, which will be used when you are either sending or receiving, for example, the APs or other currencies. The address is right here, right down under your nickname, which is this long string of letters and numbers, and it is basically used to send and receive. What is important is also if you want to receive and send, if you click, for example, here to send, what is inconvenient when you want to make a transaction, you have to use you have to have Waves. It doesn't matter if you send Bitcoin, Wave, or Ethereum. Always you need to have at least some spare Waves tokens to, or a little number of Wave tokens to send the transaction. Basically, how to send is that you scan or pass the address of the recipient, which we showed that is up there, or you can get it from the recipient himself or herself. Then you type in the amount, for example 100 waves, which is equal to 170 US. The transaction fee isn't really changing that much. And also you can add description, for example, some message, etc. What is more important to you is to receive. You will send the sender your address, and he will send you the currency or tokens in our example. What you can also see is when you click on the three dots here, you can click on asset info, and there you have details, who is the issuer of the token or currency, what is the ID, etc. It's basically really convenient, or the user interface is really friendly. Also your balance and transactions, which will show you who you sent the cryptocurrency and who sent it to you back. This is basically it. Also, what is another thing you can do here is that you click on the plus symbol here, and you can basically add any token and cryptocurrency you know the name or ID of. For example, I can show you that I can here add the activity points which are used in our class, and I have them there. For example, again, I can click on Coinomi and he will be used. Other things which can you use in this Waves.Exchange wallet is the trading. I'm not really into trading, so I won't tell you much, but it looks like any kind of basic cryptocurrency trading exchange. Then you have staking, which is a thing that you probably won't use that much. It's based on cryptocurrency named Neutrino, which you can stake or put in a bank and get an interest after a year. For example, if you put 10 neutrinos, you will get 10% rate annually. Also, there's a new opinion you can choose here that's called prediction, and there it is quietly described as it is a way how to donate to charity. So you predict or vote how much new cases during the COVID-19 will be, and you will get a reward which you can then use to support the charity campaign. What is also important is creation of your own token. As you can see, you just click on create token and you'll get in this screen. What is vital is that that you have to name your asset. So for example, that's Bitcoin in business. Then you can have a description on what it will be used, and what is the goal of this asset. then how many tokens you want there. It can be reusable or not reusable. That means that the number of total tokens can be altered later. Also, decimal points is how much, if it's like this 0.0001 or 0. It is convenient when, for example, you trade a really small amount of the tokens. Also, small assets, it's really hard to explain. There are more there's further description from the Waves.Exchange, and also you have to click that you understand what is the downside of creating a token. You need 1 Waves, which is approximately around $1, so it isn't that expensive, but you need to have the 1 Waves. I think that this is about it about the Waves.Exchange. We will switch to Coinomi. Now we will switch to Coinomi, desktop app, which you can download on the website of the Coinomi. Under if you are on the main screen, you click on download, and here you have the options to download on mobile and on desktop. I downloaded Coin Wallet for Windows, which I have installed, and now I am here. You have 2 options to create a new account or to import an account. Since I want to use my Coinomi after the class, I will show you how to import an account from your telephone, which I created first, and how to create the account I will show you in next video. So you have to type in your recovery phrase from the Coinomi application in mobile, which we will discuss in another video. So I will just type in the words quick. It is really similar to the recovery phrase in Waves.Exchange wallet, so you can use it as an training for if you lose unfortunately the access to your account, and you will have to type in your recovery phrase. So I will have to set a password, so I will type in password. It's definitely up to you which password you will use. I will use mine, and then click on next. Okay, so problem is here that I already created, but nevertheless it will redirect you to this page, which is an overview, and you can see the balance, how many coins you have on the wallet. As you can see, at zero USD balance, because I already spent all my received coins, and doesn't matter. Well, as you can see, you have multiple options to choose from. First is receive, which can be via a QR code, or you just simply copy this transaction phrase and send it to the sender. There are multiple options how to do it, for example for legacy, before the SegWit, etc. And also another option here is how to send it. So again, as same in the way as in this Waves exchange, you have to enter a BTC address or alias, then the amount and how much it's is in USD, which is pretty high now. Then you click on send and you send the amount of Bitcoin. Also, you can use the exchange option, which is used via a different application, which you will be redirected if you choose it. So it's not an it is not an application of Coinomi, but a different application. Also, it is same with the Litecoin. Here you can see a list of transaction when we have a fair. Also, you can buy the some cryptocurrency, which will redirect you to exchange on Simplex, where you can buy the coins via credit card. Also, you can not here. Well, and that's basically it. It's it's not really it doesn't really have that much useless. It's basically really just a wallet with some which can be used for like daily transactions because of the app. And what is the downside of Coinomi default wallet or Coinomi wallet is that you can like import your APIs there. It is really needed to, or you need to have the Waves.Exchange in order to have APIs. So the best option on Waves is the Waves if you want to store your activity points there. And to sum up the differences between a Waves.Exchange and a Coinomi is that the Waves can be used for trading, creating tokens, which is very useful in order to make predictions, to get to donate charity for a good thing. Also for staking using the neutrino coin, which we talked about before. Also, it shows you the list of transactions and also portfolio. On the other hand, Coinomi offers pretty much the same, but if you want to buy the coins, you have to use Simplex, and if you want to trade it, you have to use other applications outside the own Coinomi application. And also the downside is that you cannot really store APIs there. The biggest upside of Coinomi is that you can use it on the fair, because it can be used in the on your mobile phone, and it's really easy to use it on daily basis. I would say that it will be it for this video. In next video I will talk about the mobile phone applications of these wallets. So I will show you Waves.Exchange on mobile phone and also Coinomi wallet on mobile phone. I would like to thank you for finding this video and watching it, and have a nice day.